Okay, so in this video, we are in the previous video, what we did was we created our DB helper and we created our onCreated and onUpgrade. And then we've got our method called addUser, which takes in a string and then adds the person to the user full name column. But in this main activity, what we're going to do is we're actually going to design the layout of our work. So I'm going to go to my activity main. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my code section again, and I'm going to change this to a linear layout. And then I'm going to delete this text view. And then in my design side of things, I'm just going to drag in. Actually, let me just leave the text view in there. I'm just going to give it an ID. I'm going to call it txt display or result. And then in my design side, I'm just going to drag in edit text or plain text, edit text in there. 1 second, let me just add my orientation to my linear layout, vertical. And in my design, I'm just going to drag in a plain text there, and I'm going to drag in a button. And then I'm just going to give my edit text, I'm going to call it EDT user full name. And then my button is going to be button add user. And then I'm going to change this into a hint and just say full name. And this button is going to say add. Brilliant. And then what I'm going to do now is, if you look at my design, this is what I have here. In the next video, I will show you how we put it all together.